pencil sharpener inside some lipstick, a pen and a blush brush, or chalk that looks like mascara? How can you turn makeup into amazing school supplies? Learn creative ideas from our new video! The first day at a new college is always very exciting. The girls are very curious about the new student.
Oh. Ew.
And the blue-eyed girl is studying the guide on the blackboard. It looks like this is a makeup class. Look at all these different shapes. The girls are even doing their makeup in class. And Megan has a makeup brush instead of a pen. But what's that? When she needs to take notes, the brush isn't a brush anymore. It's a pen. Cut off part of a ballpoint pen. Heat up a utility knife and cut off the edge of the cap. And glue the tip of a broken makeup brush to the cap. Wrap the body of the pen in air-dry clay. Apply white glue on top and sprinkle it with glitter. I wish I had a sparkly brush pen like this! A soft brush cap with a real pen that can write underneath! Miss Olivia is explaining the connection between lip shape and eyeliner wings. Who wants to come to the blackboard? June! Oh no! I can't say a word! June is scared of public speaking, and she is super anxious. The teacher knows how to help her out. Let's add some self-confidence. The moment you do your lips, you start feeling way better. June, when you are in makeup class, even the board magnets are unusual. Hot glue magnets to rose-shaped lip gloss containers. The wisdom of the teacher saves the day. June and her bright lips confidently give answers in front of the whole class. June, for an answer like that, I'm giving you an A+. We are having a class on makeup rules. Girls, we are using these pictures to practice. The girls are trying very hard. Apply eyeshadow. Define eyebrows. And don't forget about blush. Now we just have to define our lips. Miss Olivia, what should we use for the lips? Here, girls, this is a special lipstick for a makeup class. Clean an empty liquid lipstick tube. Remove the lipstick remains with a Q-tip. Separate the brush from the cap. Trim a colored pencil. Put it into the empty tube. Pour in glycerin with glitter. Make lip gloss pencils of different colors. The girls are excited! Everyone gets a different shade of a lip gloss pencil for her model. Thanks to the pencils, the girls quickly nail their tasks. Miss Maisie is going to give us a test. The girls aren't happy about it, but Jane isn't sad. She's ready for class. Hey, look at my nails! Coat a press-on nail with polish and write formulas and charts with acrylic paint. Use a thin brush. Coat it with clear nail polish on top. Cut out thin strips of printed formulas. Fold them into a zigzag and glue to the back of the nail. June will easily pass this test with cheat sheets like this. Megan is doing her lips. This lipstick color is stunning. I'll look at it a little closer while Megan is away. And it smells nice. Oh, she's coming. Oh no, I was in a rush to close the lipstick. Now it's ruined. How do I fix it? Clean a lipstick tube. Cut a sharpener to get the right shape. Put the sharpener into the tube. Fasten it with hot glue. The blue-eyed girl didn't have enough time to clean up all the evidence. And there are lipstick stains on her fingers. Megan is starting to suspect something.
Hey,
What happened to my lipstick? Don't be mad, Megan. Now your lipstick will be even more useful. You can sharpen pencils with it. That's a great idea. I like it. I have a ton of regular lipsticks, but only one that can sharpen pencils. Phew! I saved the day. The blue-eyed girl changed the way she looks while studying at beauty college. June, look, an ugly duckling turned into a beautiful swan. But now this boring pencil case doesn't suit her at all. Glue felt to a piece of faux leather. Make a case that's shaped like a clutch bag. Hot glue a magnet fastener. Decorate the case with glittery foam paper lips. Create eyes with acrylic paint. This beautiful new case is for the beautiful new you. Thanks, girls! What a stylish accessory! I really love it! In today's class, we'll study all kinds of curls and hairstyles. Let's start by learning the theory. My hair gets into my eyes all the time. I can't even write. The blue-eyed girl uses whatever she can find and pins up her hair with a crayon. The other girls can't let that happen. Hey, take this bright hair clip instead. Take different colors of crayons. Cut them to be about this length and fasten them to a hair clip using multi-purpose glue. How creative! Thanks, Megan! Miss Olivia moves on to the practical portion of the class and hands out the hairstyling tools. The blue-eyed girl is styling her hair with a blow dryer and forgets about her new crayon clip. Megan, what do you think about my hair? Oh no, it's a mess! Your colorful hair clip melted and it's all over your hair! Turns out hairstyling class can be an extreme experience too. A new class with a new teacher. Put everything away. No makeup bags on the desks. Miss Maisie is so strict. We are taking a test. But the chalk can't handle the professor's pressure. The blue-eyed girl wants to help. But she only confuses her. Why would you give me some mascara? Mascara-shaped chalk? Carve a mascara tube from a piece of yellow chalk. Shape a cap. Attach a label. It's in the spirit of the beauty class. Let's keep studying. What a long and boring class. I'll make it a bit more fun. Megan, I have a magical box. First, I'll put my primer in it. Next, I'll need your marker. Shake it up. Abracadabra! A magical makeover happened. Now I have a marker that looks like face primer. Clean a blush stick container. Take a marker apart. Take out the wadding. Put in an empty blush container. Hot glue the tip of the highlighter. Wow, you are a real magician! Oh, Megan, you were so gullible! Did you like our ideas of school supplies that look like makeup? Then comment below which one you'd make. A lipstick pencil sharpener, lip balm magnets, a crayon hair clip, or nails with cheat sheets? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new school supply ideas from Troom.